6 दिन बचे, एक हफ्ता नहीं बचा. Ask me, I know the countdown. Well, I'm obviously.
Start with the question.
You already started answering.
Okay, आज live performance आपने प्रियंका के साथ क्या plan करेंगे? आपको like
लाइव, इसे आप लाइव परफॉर्मेंस कहते हैं, तो फिर आईफा देख लीजिएगा, वो लाइव परफॉर्मेंस है.
लव स्टोरी 2050 का प्रीमियर नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो इतनी प्रमोशंस क्या उसके कॉम्प्रोमाइज के लिए है?
ये सब टाइप्स कुछ 3 से 6 महीने पहले हो चुके थे. नथिंग इज़ प्लान्ड एट द लास्ट मिनट फॉर दिस फिल्म. और लव स्टोरी का प्रीमियर जो लंदन में हो रहा है वो ऑलमोस्ट 9 months बिफोर डिसाइड हुआ था. In fact, we were doing it at 2 cities, but because it's getting hectic and Priyanka is shooting and the film got delayed in release, so we had to cancel one and just do one in London. I'm nervous, yeah. I'm obviously nervous. I'm at the same time very excited. I think I'm switching. I come here, I see a good response, I get excited. I go home, I sit with my parents, eat dinner, then I start getting nervous again. So I think I'm swinging both ways right now.
Is there any nightmare that you get due to this nervousness?
I don't get sleep right now. I don't know about nightmares.
But how is the excitement of first film also, like, and being promoted in a very good and large
Yeah.
way, like people
The
are,
expectations are increasing always.
See, it's a good feeling, and what I'm feeling right now, it's very difficult for me to explain to any one of you because I'm experiencing it. It is my first film. There is obviously a certain amount of excitement, a certain amount of expectation that comes out of it. It's almost like I don't know how to explain to you. It's probably a child giving his 10th board exams and waiting for his result. So it's almost like that for me.
how do you feel like, maybe like you see how a year back and now today, like, what do you feel the changes also maybe in
I can't find a change in myself because I'm the same person. I've seen myself since I was born here. So obviously I can't see myself a change.
especially after entering to Bollywood, like what are the things you can learn?
You've done a survey with children.
Yeah, and I think you are the top hero.
That's really sweet. Come and stand here only, then. Well, I'm glad if you said that there's a survey with children and I'm one of their favorites now. I think it's heartwarming, yeah, because this film attracts the kids, and I'm a child lover myself. I think you saw a little bit of that today. There was an event day before where I had interacted with a lot of kids, and I had a complete blast. They wanted me there for 10 minutes, and I was on stage for almost an hour with those kids. So I personally enjoy my time with kids.
What do you say about the brand packaging coming along with the
Who?
brand packaging?
Yes.
What's your view about it?
Well, see, I think the time has come now where one needs to coexist, where I think various different brands leverage of a film leverages of them, and I think it's a very happy happy friendship or a happy branding way of taking things forward. It helps them to promote the future zone of Love Story 2050 in their stores. It helps me to put my film across to an audience. So I think it's a nice give and take relationship here.
I mean, there's one more film also in the same day, like Jaane Tu Jaane.
Two more films.
I mean, talking about like Imran and Yacht again,
Right.
like comparing, like, how do you see the other film also? Like,
Well, whatever I have seen of Jaane Tu ya Jaane Na, I have really liked. I think the promos are looking nice, and I'm not supposed to. Okay. The promos are looking nice. There is no question about it, and I wish Imran all the luck.
as you said, like, the preparation is for a very long time. Like, you've been preparing for a lot. Like,
Yeah.
What kind of preparation is there for London?
Well, you see, when I say preparing for a long time, it's not been 6 months since we've been preparing for the premiere. It's been planned. So things are planned well in advance, and then they're executed as and when the time comes. Right.
What are the plans, in fact, like, in London?
But see, if I reveal my plans of London right now, there'll be nothing exciting left for you to find out. So once the premiere is done, you'll find out what the plans were.
But we can say that your plan is already successful. Your hands are full of films now.
That wasn't a plan. Yeah. My plan was to work in my first film, and hopefully people should like my first film.
But after seeing the promos, you have been approached by Ashish Soch and many more.
How much are you excited with maybe after this one?
Well, I'm excited about every film I'm doing, be it Victory, be it the one with Mr. Anis Bazmi, be it the one with Mr. Ashutosh Gwalekar or the Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. For me, they all are, I'm excited about doing all 4 of them. And I will take them as they come and make sure I keep improving with every film that I do.
I do feeling there's more of responsibility on your shoulder when all the 4-5 top directors are there with you now.
Yeah, I'm glad you understand that. Of course, there's a huge sense of responsibility. There is at the same time a huge amount of pressure on me. And I just really hope that when an audience goes to see Love Story 2050, they don't keep in mind the fact of what I have signed, because this is still my first film. It is still my first step into this business. I'm still learning the art. I'm still bound to make a few mistakes. I'm still bound to learn and learn and learn. and finally reach a level where people can appreciate my work. So I hope they remember that and they watch my film with a discount.
Next month, Priyanka's birthday. How are you planning?
Fine.
I don't.
That's
I'm sorry,
over.
we can't.
One last question.
Please,
I don't plan that far.
Please.